Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Hetal's Cornerstone. So in today's video we will check out Duolingo English test. Write at least 50 words. In this video we will see detailed explanation of latest topic in writing. So we will try to finish that writing within a 3 to 5 minutes. And we have to write minimum 50 words. So you can go beyond that 50 words. But before that, if you are new in my channel, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hetal's Cornerstone. So let's begin with the video Duolingo writing. Question is that describe a feature of the education system in your country. So you have to describe which features of the education system in your country. First question is that what it is. Second question is that why you find it interesting and say how this feature might be used in another countries. Okay, so you have to explain two things simultaneously, one by one. First one, then second. Okay, so let's check out the answer of the question education system in our country, right? How we can start our para? Education is the key to success in one second. Education is a key to success in one's life as it makes a person more confident and self-reliant. So this way you can start your essay, right? This is a short essay. System of education in our country in which students are graded according to their performance in numerous spheres, SPHERES, mainly academics. We have a holistic approach towards education where school and colleges strive to bring about an overall personality development among students. In this style of studying, students are trained for academic excellence as well as for extracurriculum activities. So this way I have briefed to para, right? So you don't have to make the para this way in the examination, but for better understanding I divided that and I have tried to edit new vocabulary, right, that will improve your band score in the examination. This vocabulary you can use in speaking as well, or if you are appearing for IELTS in writing part, so you can add this vocabulary as well in the writing part. Okay, so this is a new word SPHERES, spheres, holistic approach, extracurriculum activities. But think that if you do not know the correct spelling like extracurriculum activities, CURRICULAR activities, so please don't write that word. Otherwise if your sentence is right but spelling is mistake, spelling error, then 110% there will be cutting in your band scores. Let's check out the another one. In this way students become physically active and mentally agile, AGILE. So this is education in the real sense. So this way I have bifurcated three para. Next one, students are not restricted to bookish learning. Rather, there is exegetic teaching and learning which helps to gain knowledge and modify the student's behavior. So I have tried to add a new word, exegetic, ECLECTIC, and bookish learning, right? They like a bookworm person. Students are not restricted to bookworm. In that way, I have added bookish learning. Rather, there is a exegetic teaching. So this way, you can add new vocabulary and expand your sentence as well as English. Next one, this kind of education is interesting for students as teacher impart the knowledge to them in a variety way which is more appealing to the students. So I have added new word appealing to the students. Next, students have a lot of fun filled activities to hone their skills in communication and personality development. So I would added new fun filled activities and to hone their skills. Right. Next one. I hope we can introduce the wonderful features of education to other countries as well. Definitely students would relish this kind of approach towards education as they imbibe not only worldly knowledge but also various life skills through this mode of education. So this is the starting of new question. Why you find it interesting? So this kind of education is interesting. Otherwise you can write this kinds of education is fascinating for student. This is a new vocabulary for the interesting, intriguing for the student. So this way you can add new vocabulary and they have asked you the question. So that's why I have added. I hope we can introduce a wonderful feature of education to other countries as well. And I have added new words. Students would relish this kind of approach toward the education and various life skills through this mode of education. So in this small essay, in this small question, I'll try to add a new vocabulary so you can learn new words, new English spelling, and you can add in your vocabulary book. If you have not prepared that book, so please again I am saying you make one book and try to add new word at least 5 to 10 words every day with meaning whatever the language you know in the meaning. If you know Hindi, Gujarati, Urdu, Malayalam, whatever the language you are having. So write that meaning, French, whatever, Portuguese, and add one sentence and synonyms. If you want to expand that, you can add antonyms also, right? So this way you can learn, you can build your bank of vocabulary, right? So you have to improve every day, right? If you want to study abroad and you want to get good grades in the examination as well as outside examination, so please be prepared well and try to add new words, new vocabulary in your vocabulary book as well as in your mind. Guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and further that if you are new in my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Hithel's Cornerstone. If you want to share it with your friend whose English is very poor, so you can also share because I am adding this PowerPoint presentation, right? So this way both the visual as well as audio, both the things they can use it. So thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you so much.